Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, more than a dozen Haitian officers have fled Jamaica after coming here to work for the Salvation Army in recent years.
Now, there is concern that the church is being used as a transit point for illegal migration from Haiti through Jamaica.
Now, Giovanni Dennis picks up part 2 of this TVJ News exclusive Marching Out of Line Cracks in the Salvation Army.
Remember the pastor and his wife who fled the Salvation Army from Lucy mentioned in part 1? Before them, another couple who were chairman and administrator at the Lucy Corps, also from Haiti, fled Jamaica and left the army. This was around 2018-2019. In the last 5 years, there have been others who fled the island or, as Jamaicans would say, run off to another country. There was a couple in Montego Bay, St. James, and another couple in Cave Mountain, Hanover. Yet another couple from the Bluefields Corps in Westmoreland, and this bears significance to the Salvation Army.
1887, the year this facility was opened, we're in Bluefields, Westmoreland, the Salvation Army Corps located in this area. It's the first location of the Salvation Army, not just here in Jamaica, but in the entire Caribbean, and so it's a significant property right behind me. It's a Monday evening and it's pretty dark here right now, symbolic perhaps of the state in which the facility was left just a few years ago by a senior Haitian officer who misappropriated a significant sum before taking off.
There was another couple who fled from the training college in Kingston as well. These are 6 couples or a dozen people in the last 7 years that we are aware of.
To me, it's just an opportunity for them to leave their country. I don't see them as born again.
There are a growing number of members who are of this view. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security issues work permits to all citizens who are non-Commonwealth members, like people from Haiti who come here for work, including religious work. In some instances, they can apply for an exemption, which is usually granted. This is also the case for people working with the Salvation Army. We contacted the Ministry of Labour and Social Security about what should happen if someone runs off and leaves the army.
If that is the case, the Salvation Army needs to indicate to us that that is so, giving us the details of the holder of the work permit exemption so that we can cancel the work permit exemption certificate that was given to them. When that is done, we would indicate to PICA, Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, so that they can do their due diligence.
The work permit unit in the ministry says the army has a duty to report any and all cases of officers running off.
Has the ministry received any such reports from the Salvation Army?
No, I'm not aware of that.
If it is found out that this has in fact been happening, what are the next steps thereafter?
All right. So if it is that has been happening and the Salvation Army has not been reporting it, then that means they would be hating the whole situation by virtue of them knowing that the person has left their employment and they have not reported it to us at the Ministry of Labour. So we would have to still carry out investigation and then refer the matter to our legal team for them to do further checks and execute whatever legal proceedings that needs to take place.
Another concern is what Jamaican Salvation Army members say is the shutting out of non-Haitians from the leadership of the organization. Of the over 150 senior officer posts throughout the 16 Caribbean countries, more than 125 are occupied by Haitians. Majority of the over 11 divisions are also headed by Haitians. The territorial commander for the Caribbean is Haitian. For the past 12 years, 4 Haitians have successively been candidate secretary, the person with direct responsibility for recruiting new cadets. More documents seen by our news team show of the 32 candidates brought in to train between 2021 and 2024, 30 are from Haiti. When asked for comment, the regional office of the Salvation Army told our news center that their spokesperson is on furlough. There was no response to an interview request sent to the international headquarters of the Salvation Army in London, England. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.